Are you accidentally breaking cruise ship rules without even knowing it? Because here's the truth. Most passengers are. Some of these mistakes are tiny. They'll cost you a few bucks and a little embarrassment. But others? They can get you fined, kicked off the ship mid-voyage, or even banned for life. And the worst part? Most people don't realize they're breaking the rules until it's too late. That's why in this video, I'm walking you through 17 cruise cabin mistakes that happen every single day, and how you can avoid them. Think of this as your insider guide from a fellow cruiser. The one who's seen it all and wants to help you cruise smarter, safer, and stress-free. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's make sure your next trip at sea goes perfectly. Number 1. The minibar trap that can cost you $200. Let's start with a mistake that almost everyone makes on their first cruise. You open your cabin fridge, there's a cold soda, a tiny bottle of whiskey, maybe a little chocolate bar calling your name, and you think, well, I paid for the drink package. It's probably included? It's not. Minibar items are almost never covered, even with premium packages. And cruise lines know exactly what they're doing. They want you to assume it's included, because every time you reach for that drink, they quietly add $6, $12, or $20 to your account. I once cruised with a couple who ended up with $180 in minibar charges, and they didn't realize it until the final day. Here's the move. Avoid the fridge. Instead, hit the buffet, grab a drink at the pool bar, or order room service, all of which are included. Save that money for something way more fun at the next port. Number 2. Don't light up. Ever. It doesn't matter if it's a cigarette, cigar, vape, or something that's legal back home. Smoking in your cabin or on your balcony is completely banned. Why? Because a single ember can cause a fire. And at sea, fires spread fast. It's one of the biggest safety risks on board, and cruise lines have a zero-tolerance policy. If you're caught smoking in your room, you could be fined, kicked off the ship, or even banned from sailing with that cruise line again. The good news? Every ship has designated smoking areas. Use them. They're safe, they're ventilated, and they won't risk your vacation, or anyone else's. Number 3. Respect your home away from home. It's easy to slip into party mode on vacation, but your cabin isn't a dorm room. No taping decorations to the walls, no hammering hooks into the furniture, and definitely no sticky hangers that could peel off paint. Would you do that in a hotel room? Probably not. Treat your cabin with the same respect. Keep it tidy, keep it classy, and leave the decorating to the professionals. Number 4. Don't steal the souvenirs. Those plush robes, the comfy slippers, the luxurious towels, they're there for your use during the cruise, not to pack into your suitcase. Take them, and you'll likely see a surprise charge on your account. A friend of mine once took a robe home thinking it was complimentary, and got hit with a $95 charge at checkout. Toiletries like shampoo or soap? Totally fine. But for everything else, just leave it behind, and save your souvenir budget for something you'll actually treasure from one of your ports of call. Number 5. Balcony safety isn't optional. Here's a safety rule too many people ignore. Never open your cabin door and your balcony door at the same time. That sudden rush of air, it can slam doors, toss luggage, or even injure someone. And while we're here, don't sit, lean, or climb on the railing. Ever. They're not built to hold weight. And one wrong move could be catastrophic. If you're cruising with kids or teens, lock the balcony door whenever you're not watching them. Enjoy the views. Soak in the sea breeze, but do it safely. Number 6. Show some love to the crew. Your cabin attendants are the unsung heroes of your trip. They're the ones making your bed, folding towel animals, and keeping your space spotless, often for 12+ hours a day. A little kindness goes a long way. Say thank you. Smile. Leave a small tip at the end of the voyage. Even $10 or $20 can mean a lot. And you can make their lives easier by doing small things. Putting trash in bins, keeping your stuff organized, tossing dirty towels in one spot. Tiny gestures, huge impact. Number 7. The magic of Do Not Disturb. It's simple, but it's powerful. That little Do Not Disturb sign is your key to privacy. Need a nap? Want a romantic evening? Just don't feel like seeing anyone? Hang it on the door. And when you're ready for fresh sheets and a clean room, Flip it to make-up room before you head out. It's the easiest way to customize your cabin experience without saying a word. Quick pro tip. Before we go further, here's a way to save a lot on your next cruise. Always compare prices before you book. Sites like Cruise Direct often include perks, like free onboard credit or upgrades, that cruise lines don't advertise. I've left a link below so you can check it out later. Number 8. Don't pack fire. Hazards. Think that travel iron or surge-protected power bar is no big deal? Think again. Items like irons, steamers, extension cords, and hot plates are banned for one reason: fire risk. If security finds them in your luggage, they'll be confiscated, and in some cases you could face a fine. Instead, check the cruise line's official packing list before you go. Most ships offer pressing services or self-service laundry stations anyway. Number 9. CBD products equals cruise-ending mistake. This one surprises a lot of people. Even if CBD is perfectly legal at home, it's almost always banned at sea. Cruise ships follow maritime and international law, not local laws. And under those laws, CBD is often treated as a controlled substance. Real story. A couple from Florida had their trip canceled on the spot when security found CBD oil in their luggage. They lost their cruise fare, thousands of dollars, and were denied boarding. It's not worth the risk. Leave it at home and talk to your doctor about alternatives. Number 10. Use the safe. Seriously. I know. It feels secure on board, but thousands of people come and go from the ship, and accidents, mix-ups, or theft can happen. That's why the cabin safe exists. Use it. Lock away your passport, cash, jewelry, and credit cards the moment you unpack. And pro tip, snap a photo of your key documents and store them securely in the cloud, just in case. Number 11. No flames. Period. This one isn't just a rule, it's a deal breaker. No candles, no incense, no open flames of any kind. A small flame can become a major emergency at sea. There have been real incidents where a single candle triggered fire alarms and forced entire decks to evacuate. If you love cozy lighting, pack battery-operated candles or a plug-in diffuser. They're safe, ship-approved, and won't risk anyone's safety. Number 12. The toilet isn't a trash can. Cruise ship toilets run on a vacuum system. Powerful, but delicate. Only one thing should ever go down them: toilet paper. Anything else, wipes, feminine products, cotton swabs, can clog the system and cause plumbing disasters. And yes, if it's traced back to your cabin, you might be billed for the repair. Golden rule. If it's not toilet paper, it goes in the trash. Pro tip. Still shopping for your cruise? Before you book, take a peek at Cruise Direct. They often throw in extras like free Wi-Fi, onboard credit, or early bird discounts. It's worth a quick look. I've linked it below. Number 13. Be a good neighbor. Your cabin isn't soundproof, and your neighbors didn't sign up for your 3 a.m. karaoke session. Keep TV and music volume low. Talk quietly in hallways. And close your door gently instead of letting it slam. It's basic courtesy, but it's the difference between being a great neighbor and the one everyone complains about at guest services. Number 14. Balcony privacy is a myth. Your balcony feels private, but trust me, people above, below, and next door can often see and hear way more than you think. There are plenty of stories of passengers accidentally putting on a show for the deck above while changing. If it's something you wouldn't want on camera, do it inside. Number 15. Don't turn your cabin into a laundry room. We've all run out of clean clothes mid-cruise, but draping socks and shirts over your balcony railing isn't the answer. It's unsightly, it's against the rules, and the wind will probably send your underwear flying into the ocean anyway. Instead, use the ship's laundry service or pack quick dry clothes you can rinse and hang inside the cabin. A small travel clothesline, the non-permanent kind, is a game changer. Number 16. Never leave kids alone. Even for a minute. Even if you're just stepping onto the balcony. Cruise ships are safe, but they're also full of curious corners and open doors. A child can wander off or get into trouble faster than you think. If you need time to yourself, most ships offer babysitting or kids clubs. Use them. They're staffed, safe, and give everyone peace of mind. Number 17. Respect the space, respect the experience. At the end of the day, this all comes down to one thing: respect. Respect the cabin, respect the crew, respect your fellow passengers. A little awareness, a little courtesy, and you'll not only avoid mistakes, you'll make the cruise better for everyone around you. If you're planning your next cruise, don't book blind. Compare deals, look for perks, and check Cruise Direct for hidden discounts before you hit book. It's one of the easiest ways to save hundreds, and I'll drop the link below so you can check it out. If you found this guide helpful, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with a fellow traveler. It helps the channel more than you know, and it tells me you want more insider cruise content like this. And before you click away, don't stop here. Check out the videos on screen now for more cruise tips, packing hacks, and hidden secrets that will make your next vacation smoother, safer, and more fun. I'm your fellow traveler here on this channel, wishing you smooth seas and unforgettable adventures. Until next time, happy cruising.